Save Freedoms was laid out with the mission to give admittance to stable money to each individual on the planet. Save Privileges project firmly accepts that excessive inflation can be annihilated. They worked and created monetary programming that can assist people with managing excessive inflation. Save was sent off in May 2019 after an underlying trade presenting at the Huobi Prime stage. Nevin Freeman and Matt Sr. helped to establish the organization. Save Privileges produce cash by taking a charge from clients who execute cash through their monetary application. Hold Privileges permits the client to save, move, spend, and get cash through the Save application, and the local token is known as the RSR. Hold Freedoms have cooperated with the Venezuelan government to determine the issue of money shakiness. They have laid out a corporate association with 7 Portable Africa, Angola's biggest cell phone merchant. The major institutional financial backers of Save Freedoms incorporate Coinbase Adventures, Computerized Cash Gathering, NGC, Finbushi Capital, Valorum Capital, Pre-Heavenly Messenger, Rocket Fuel, Crypto Lotus, and so on. Hold Freedoms projects mean to deliver an option in contrast to government-issued currency by conglomerating a crate of tokenized resources, which are steady in buying power. Hold Freedoms intends to change the crate over the long run with a drawn-out view that the right bin for the ongoing year may not be no different for what's in store. New increments and deduction will be there each year founded on the financial requests. The most recent news from the power of Save Freedoms is that they are chipping away at a decentralized money with a steady buying influence. How truly do Hold Freedoms functions? Hold Freedoms is a double symbolic stablecoin stage got by a proof-of-work agreement system, an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. The Save application permits clients to move cash by means of a steady money. The worth of the coin is safeguarded from diminishing buying power, which intends to protect the work and exertion of the proprietor. Save stablecoin called a Hold token is a digital currency keeping coordinated equivalency with US dollars. It very well may be spent like government-issued money or USD. Presently, RSV can be traded for the public monetary standards of Venezuela, Colombia, and Argentina with the authority's Save application. Later on, it is wanting to grow to all nations. RSV is a steady coin. Yet RSR is unpredictable. The uniqueness of Save is that other stable coins are upheld by USD held in a financial balance and oversaw by a steady coin backer. In any case, RSV is constrained by the repository of digital money represented by brilliant agreements. According to current information, a fundamental stable coin conveyed on Ethereum is supported by a third USDC, a third TUSD, and a third PAX. The second is the Save Privileges. RSR is utilized to keep RSV stay stable in its worth. RSR tokens are a utility resource. With the assistance of a mind-boggling arrangement of decentralized exchange arrangements, it assists with keeping the cost of the steady coin to stay at the worth of the $1.00 cost target. Hold Freedoms cryptographic money is utilized as an administration token for the Save Privileges stage. Individuals who own Hold Privileges tokens can decide in favor of changes available for later Freedoms plans in regards to future turn of events. RSR holders can acquire by collaborating with the convention when the convention is totally live. As of the 2021 Hold Rights Convention, Save stablecoins are called R tokens. The convention permits any individual to make the steady coin, and R token will exchange at a market worth of the whole bushel that backs it. R tokens can be protected and create income from value-based expenses. This income is imparted to guarantors of insurance tokens. Each R token is represented independently with an alternate administration framework. And the underlying convention send-off, the center group is anticipating 2 R token, one is an unadulterated USD coin supported simply by USD fiat coins, and the other is yield-bearing USD coins which are upheld by DEFI USD token. According to the most recent news, the Save Freedoms environment is profoundly devoted to extending with additional complex advanced instruments and adding resources for its computerized hold. The ongoing cryptographic money market opinions of RSR are negative and exchanging on a negative pattern. On Binance's most recent multi-week, it has given a deficiency of practically 30% for financial backers. The complete market cap is $228,392,585 with an all-out supply of 100 billion tokens. The coursing supply is 13,159,997,677 RSR, and the Hold Freedoms cost today is 1 cent. Dissecting the verifiable information of RSR cost on the day-to-day diagram. The record-breaking high at which RSR exchanged was 11 cents on April 16, 2021, while the most reduced cost at which RSR exchanged was $0 WAC 2020. Over the most recent half year, Hold Privileges gave the financial backers a critical misfortune. Crypto markets are generally unpredictable in the midst of worldwide opinions. The RSR nature is additionally exceptionally unstable, and more dangers are implied since it relies upon different monetary forms and numerous different variables. The RSR cost outline shows that the Save Freedoms cost has diminished from all time and exchanged sideways. Later on, in July, the morning star affirmation on the diagram started an upturn. RSR built up speed and covered half. Then it saw a pattern inversion. Sell signals have showed up. RSR's cost tumbled from the help levels, shaping worse low points with diminished volume. The cost of hold freedoms has broken the close by help at 1 cent and moving towards the 1 cent support zone. The significant help is set at $0. On the off chance that the negative pattern pulls the cost of Save Freedoms underneath the significant help zone, it will be an obstacle for the coin. On the everyday diagram, the anticipated degree of neighboring opposition is at 2 cents. In the event that RSR USD breaks this level, the crypto will move to test the opposition level of 4 cents. The cost of Save Freedoms needs to hop. The significant obstruction is put at 4 cents prior to entering the upswing towards an untouched high. Hold privileges USD is moving underneath its 20 MA, 50 MA, 200 MA, bullish as long as possible, in the midst of worldwide opinion. It shows the sell opinions in the digital currency market. Expect the pattern will change temporarily, and costs will move towards better upsides. Significant specialized pointers. For example, the general strength record and MACD are displayed in the figure. RSI is 26, demonstrating negative energy. Numerous merchants are befuddled about the positions. The MACD line is additionally negative, and the ongoing value pattern might go on in the forthcoming exchanging meetings. Save Freedoms Value Expectation 2022. Toward the start of 2022, the Save Freedoms cost is supposed to exchange at 2 cents, and in the center, the obstacle of 2 cents will be crossed, and it might advance toward the most extreme degree of 3 cents according to our Hold Privileges Value Forecast 2022. The whole year, Save Freedoms is supposed to move at a typical cost of 3 cents and a base cost of 2 cents. Save Privileges Value Forecast 2023. 2023 on the drawn-out graph is great for the crypto market. However, according to Hold Privileges Cost Expectation, the RSR isn't supposed to contact the 10 cents level this year. Toward the start of 2023, it might exchange at the 3 cents level, and later RSR costs will cross 4 cents, which might be the greatest cost of Hold Privileges, while it might expect a typical cost of 3 cents. Save Privileges Value Expectation 2024. Save Privileges Cost Expectation shows that it will cross 5 cents in the year 2024, and it will end up being a wise venture for the present moment. Later on, Save Freedoms is expecting speculations universally and will enlarge its impressions to major crypto markets. Hold Privileges Cost Expectation for the year proposes the base and most extreme cost perhaps 4 cents and 5 cents with a typical cost of 5 cents. Hold Privileges Value Forecasts 2025. According to our specialists, Hold Privileges is supposed to obtain more resource base from now on, and our RSR value forecast is expecting that it might arrive at a most extreme cost of 6 cents. The cost might hang between 7 cents to 6 cents with a typical cost of 6 cents. Save Freedoms Value Expectation 2026. Breaking down the drawn-out estimate, Save Privileges may neglect to cross the most extreme degree of 10 cents this